In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Google Ads certificate to your LinkedIn profile. If you've earned a Google Ads certification, showcasing it on your LinkedIn profile can significantly enhance your professional image and highlight your expertise. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's smooth and easy for you. So, let's get started. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to LinkedIn.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. You might prefer logging in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address along with your password, in case you have two-factor authentication enabled. LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your phone. Be prepared for that extra step since it adds an important layer of security to your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find your profile picture there. So click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu where you'll see the option to view your profile. Select that option and it will take you straight to your profile page. Once you are there, look just beneath your profile picture. You'll see a button labeled Add Profile Section. Click on this button and a new menu will appear, presenting you with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Recommended section. At this point, you should see an option to add licenses and certification. Go ahead and click on that. A form will appear and you'll need to enter the details of your Google Ads certification. Begin by typing the name of the certification, such as Google Ads Search Certification. This is important because it ensures that your connections and potential employers know exactly what qualifications you have obtained. Next, you'll be prompted to specify the issuing organization. Simply start typing Google and select it from the suggestions that appear. After that, you'll need to enter the date when you received your certification. If your certification has an expiration date, make sure to enter that information as well. It's crucial that you keep this information updated so that your credentials accurately reflect your current status. Once you've filled in these details, click the Saves button to add your Google Ads certification to your LinkedIn profile. After saving, you also have the option to associate relevant skills with your certification. This feature helps underline the specific areas of expertise you've developed through your certification process. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Google Ads certificate to your LinkedIn profile. This addition will not only boost your credibility but also help your profile stand out to recruiters and industry peers. Thanks for following along, and best of luck showcasing your achievements.